Hello developers, welcome back to the complete web development course. In this video, we are going to see how website works. Just see what happens when you type any URL, like this is URL, right? This HTTP or HTTPS slash some website, right? So just see, this is URL, Uniform Resource Locator. When you hit this while connecting to the internet, okay, so when you hit this URL from your browser, it tries to hit a server. It tries to hit a server, which is like, server is like simply a machine, a computer which is like switched on for 24/7, right? So it hits the server and tries to locate some resources present on that particular server. Yes, definitely it is. And that resources can contain web page, which is nothing but HTML documents, right? Some images, maybe anything like fonts. It can be font, like when you see heading or paragraph or whatever you see. It may be any file or audio, like you are using Netflix or Amazon Prime. What is there? Yeah, there are multiple audio video files are there. No, that's why you are just streaming them, right? As soon as you hit any URL, so it hits some resources it hits some server to load the resources. That's it. So just see, this is client and server. Okay, client server architecture we are going to see here. So client means any browser from your mobile, from your desktop, from your tablet, whatever you are using. So that is client. It will be connected to the server. How? Just see, client request. Okay, request means clients is trying to send some message. Just see in that way. Okay, so like say www.facebook.com. so client request, hey server, I want facebook.com. oh, it means clients want to load the resources that are contained at that particular locator, like www.facebook.com. definitely. Now server will read the request and then process it. Okay, process the request and then generate some response after processing it, right? Of course. And now this response, okay, this response can be packed. Now this response are get packed into HTML, CSS and JavaScript format and presented to us. Okay, and this response will now serve to your browser, your web browser. Fine. So, and as soon as this response gets served on your web browser, it creates a DOM. Your web browser creates a document object model, DOM, okay, on the basis of that response, and hence that DOM gets rendered on your screen, on your web browser. Fine. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys are enjoying these tutorials. So don't worry about the length of any videos, either it is 10 minutes, 5 minutes or 1 hour video. Just hand over everything to me. You just try to follow it only. Okay, so share this course so that more people can access it and get benefited from it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye, take care.